Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the Ford F-350, 2000 to 2003. Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you easily locate and understand every fuse. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2000 and 2001 Ford F-350 controls various interior electrical functions such as power windows, door locks, interior lights, and the radio. It houses multiple fuses and relays that protect these circuits. Each fuse is labeled for easy identification and troubleshooting. The system ensures safe operation by preventing overloads or short circuits. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2002 and 2003 Ford F-350 manages key interior electrical components like the instrument panel, power mirrors, dome lights, and audio systems. It contains an array of fuses and relays for circuit protection. The layout supports quick identification and maintenance. Its design helps safeguard against electrical faults and overloads. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2000 and 2001 Ford F-350 protects major engine-related circuits such as the fuel pump, ignition system, and cooling fans. It includes high-current fuses and relays to manage essential power distribution. The box is designed for efficient circuit protection and reliability. It supports overall engine performance and electrical system safety. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2011 glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, 250 SFE fuse. Circuits such as the PCM, fuel pump, cooling fan, and ceramic fuse. Bosch fuse is cartridge and DIN fuse, along with relays for efficient circuit protection. The box is designed for optimized thermal performance and PAL fuse, low-profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.